Hey there, people of YouTube! It's me, Linday. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to feature the Mangrovetum Park, Masbate.
Welcome to Mangrovetum Park, Masbate City. Commune yourself with the abundance of marine habitat as the Mangrovetum showcases the rich and natural growth of mangroves in the city.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there.
The wooden hanging bridge and its solar-powered lamps give you a perfect avenue for a day and night walking pictorial. You can also climb in the viewing deck to see Masbate Pass, as well as the panoramic view city skyline.
So I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
Mangrove is best for controlling tsunami, storm surge, and tidal waves. It is the best idea for nature conservative as well as putting tourist attraction for the city. It is best if you come here early in the morning or late in the afternoon to witness the sunrise and sunset.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart.
If you will get hungry along the journey, you don't need to worry. Food Park Mangrovetum got you covered. It is located outside the mangrove with a very reasonable price. You should add Mangrovetum to your bucket list to visit here in Masbate. See you there!